In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download a presentation from Gamma app step by step. If you've created a deck in Gamma and want to save it to your device, export it to PowerPoint, or even download it as images, this guide will walk you through the full process in a simple and easy way. And if this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Gamma account and open the presentation you want to download. Once your presentation is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see either a share button or a three-dot menu, depending on your layout and account view. Click on that option to open the available actions for your presentation. From the menu, select Export. This is where Gamma gives you the different download options for your deck. After that, click Export to PowerPoint if you want a standard editable presentation file that you can open in Microsoft PowerPoint or similar presentation software. Once you choose that option, Gamma will begin processing your presentation. Give it a few moments to prepare the file, especially if your deck has multiple slides, images, or complex formatting. When the export is ready, the download should start automatically, and you can save it to your computer. If you want your presentation as an image instead, choose Export as PNGs. This is useful if you need each slide saved as a separate image file for sharing, archiving, or using in other design workflows. Again, wait for the processing to finish and then download the files once Gamma generates them. After the download is complete, you can open the PowerPoint file or image folder and confirm everything looks correct. That's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded your Gamma presentation in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.